In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a real-time metrics database with Datadog. By the end, you'll know how to explore incoming time series, combine them with formulas, and validate your results in a live graph so you can treat Datadog like a fast, queryable metrics store. Start by opening Datadog in your browser and signing into your account. It helps if you already have an agent or integration sending metrics, but even demo or sandbox metrics will work for practice. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation and open the metrics section. This is where Datadog exposes raw metric streams and all the tools you need to shape them into meaningful, real-time views. Inside metrics, head into the Explorer. The Metric Explorer is your workbench. You get a query builder, a time range selector, and a live graph that updates as your data arrives. Take a quick look at the top controls so you know where to change the time frame, pause or resume live updates, and switch visual styles. Now add a query. Choose a metric that represents a signal you care about, such as request counts, latencies, or error totals. Pick an appropriate aggregation like sum, average, min, or max to match the question you're asking. Filter with tags to narrow the scope to a service, environment, region, or host group, and group by tags when you want to compare segments side by side. If your series is high volume, apply a roll-up interval that balances freshness with readability. At this point, the graph should render a live time series for the query you just built. Next, add a formula to turn that raw series into something decision-ready. Formulas let you reference each query by letter and compute rates, ratios, or derive KPIs in real time. For example, you can convert counts to per-second rates, divide errors by total requests to get an error percentage, or subtract two series to highlight deltas. Consider smoothing noisy data with moving functions and make sure units stay consistent so the result is interpretable. With your query and formula in place, review the graph to confirm it matches expectations. Use the legend to isolate lines, hover to inspect exact values and tags, and drag across the timeline to zoom into interesting windows. Try switching the visualization style or stacked layout if you're comparing grouped series, and pause live mode briefly when you need a stable snapshot. If something looks off, adjust filters, aggregation, group bys, or the formula until the shape of the data answers your question. That's it. You've turned incoming metrics into a real-time queryable view using Datadog's Metric Explorer, complete with derived KPIs and a live graph for rapid validation.